Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a healthy sprouts aloo sandwich recipe, ideal as a healthy meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. To make this sandwich, I'm using 1 cup of sprouted green moong dal. I have already shared how to sprout green moong dal. Links will be updated below this video or at the end of this video. Please do check it out. I'm heating my kadai with 1 to 2 teaspoons of A2 desi ghee. If you are a vegan, you can use any wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the ghee is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. And once the jeera splutters, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in 1/4 inch finely chopped ginger, 1 green chilli finely chopped. Give it a stir and allow it to lightly saute. After about a minute, I'm adding in 1 cup of sprouted moong dal, pink Himalayan salt as needed, and give it a good stir. Cover for about a minute. About a minute later, open the lid, give it a stir. Add in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon kashmiri chilli powder or as needed, half teaspoon garam masala, 1/3 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, and give this all a good mix. And allow the spices to roast for about 20 to 30 seconds so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. Into this, I'm adding in 2 medium-sized boiled and cooled potatoes. Did you know that boiled and cooled potatoes are a good source of resistant starch? Resistant starch helps in good gut health and also helps in weight loss. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of adding resistant starch to your diet. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out to understand more about resistant starch. Give it a good stir. Once nicely mixed, turn off the flame, squeeze in half a lemon, sprinkle in some finely chopped coriander leaves, give it a good mix. And my aloo sprouts sandwich mix is ready. I'm going to allow this to cool down. The best thing about this sandwich filling is that you can make ahead and store in the refrigerator. While the sprouts aloo mix is getting cooled, I'm making a high protein green chutney. To make the green chutney, into my blender jar, I'm adding in a couple of sprigs of fresh curry leaves. Curry leaves are a good source of iron and folate, hence I like to include them in my recipes. To make the green chutney immune boosting, I am adding in 1 amla. This is salted amla. I have already shared how to make salted amlas. Please do check the description box below for the link. Now, if you have access to fresh amla, you can use fresh amla instead of salted amla. Amla is one of the richest source of vitamin C. 1 green chilli or as needed. To make this protein rich, I'm adding in 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted gram dal, also known as pottu kadala in Malayalam. 1/4 inch ginger, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, a handful of small onions, also known as shallots. Squeeze in half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper powder, 1/3 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1 tablespoon water, a large handful of fresh coriander leaves. Note that I'm also adding in the stalk of the leaves. And I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and it becomes into a nice green chutney consistency. Okay, now the green chutney is ready. I'm going to keep this aside. For the sandwich, I'm using 2 slices of my homemade bread. I'm spreading green chutney over each slice of the bread. Place 3 tablespoons of the sprouts aloo filling and spread it out all over the bread slice. Make sure that even the corners of the bread are filled with the aloo mix. Cover it with the other slice and lightly press it down. Drizzle in a little bit of A2 desi ghee. If you are a vegan, you can use wood pressed groundnut oil. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm placing the sandwich ghee side down. I'm placing something heavy like a skillet on top. This will help the sandwich to become crispy and also helps to seal the filling. Couple of minutes later, remove the skillet, drizzle in a little bit of A2 desi ghee and spread it over the bread slice. Carefully flip the sandwich over. Place the skillet on top and allow that side to get toasted and crispy as well. Once that side is toasted, remove the skillet. I like to slice the sandwich before serving. So guys, do try this healthy sprouts aloo sandwich and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.